Apple is bending to Russia's wishes and bans VPN apps from the country's App Store. Here's why VPN access is being restricted in several countries and what that means for you. Why ban VPN? Ever used a VPN to unblock streaming, like watching a football match not available in your region? That's a convenient, though often illegal, use of VPNs. But VPNs are also vital for accessing information freely, especially in countries with internet censorship. Simply put, VPNs hide your online identity, meaning your IP address, like a digital mask, so no one can trace the websites you visit. They let you access content blocked by local providers and encrypt your data. That way, your messages can't be read by internet providers, cybercriminals or state authorities. That's why VPN technology is highly unpopular among authoritarian regimes. It lets citizens access apps and websites they want to block. The technology also protects whistleblowers and lets journalists safely receive information from foreign sources. VPNs are illegal in North Korea, Turkmenistan, Iraq and Belarus. In India, Pakistan, the UAE, Turkey and China, VPNs are regulated or restricted. So what exactly did Apple do in Russia? According to Russian news sources, Roskomnadzor, the government body regulating internet access, asked Apple to remove certain VPN apps, and Apple complied. Two affected developers, LeVPN and Redshield VPN, received identical notes from Apple. The notes stated that the apps were banned for including content that is illegal in Russia. However, VPNs don't include content, they just provide access to it. Apple stated that Roskomnadzor's request was backed by Russian law, without further specifics. Is Apple aiding a regime in blocking access to information? To some developers, it certainly looks that way. And for the Russian government, this is just the latest move in a large-scale crackdown on VPNs. In March, the government banned VPN advertising ahead of the election. But banning VPN apps isn't the only way governments try to control online information. India has taken a different approach. Since 2022, the Indian government requires VPN companies to save user data, including names, IP addresses and visited sites, for at least 5 years. Authorities can access this information if they think a user is engaging in illegal activities. Even though there is regulation, VPNs still allow Indian users to access banned apps like TikTok and can help during internet shutdowns. But the regulation seriously compromises user anonymity and safety. In Pakistan, people and businesses must register to use VPNs according to a 2020 ruling. Pakistan heavily restricts internet access. For instance, X, formerly Twitter, has been blocked since early 2024. VPNs let users bypass this block, making them very popular. Though the ruling isn't strictly enforced yet, activists fear severe crackdowns could happen soon. Why VPN should be protected? VPNs can be crucial tools of internet freedom for you. So you should always be skeptical if their use is heavily regulated, restricted or banned in your country. If you're looking for a safe way to install a VPN app, DW has been collaborating with Psiphon. That's a free and open source internet censorship circumvention tool. To get a download link, just write an empty email to dw-w@psiphon3.com. You'll automatically receive download links for your devices as a response. You can also find the link, plus further information on how to install Psiphon in the video description. That was it from me. See you next time.